You've got a sheet that shows you the 8 basic shot types that we're going to use in video 1A, two shot and a medium shot and a over the shoulder and things like that. Feel free to cut these out and use them. Where they're going to go is on your storyboard form right here where it says drawing, a sketch of your shot. You can also just draw stick figures. That's perfectly fine. So if I was going to do a medium close-up, I could do a stick figure like that. No problem at all to keep your drawings very simple. Or if you prefer to get one of these and maybe a little bit of tape, stick that on there is just fine. Glue stick, whatever you've got. And some people prefer to draw, but don't get too technical with this. Just keep it simple. The key to a good storyboard drawing is that you should be able to hand this piece of paper to the camera operator. The camera operator should be able to look at it and get exactly the shot that you want based on your description. Sometimes you've got to go into more detail. Sometimes you need to really show the tree in the background positioned on the rule of thirds, and the edge of the house goes right here, and there's a little bit of a car sticking out, coming out right here. But keep your drawings simple, and generally it's going to come out okay. If you have to label stuff because you're a bad drawer, that's fine. Label this tree and label this car. And these kinds of things are going to help the camera operator know exactly what it is that you're trying to get to.